Say hello to our new butterfly friend. I don't even know what kind of butterfly that is, but it looks like it is either still emerging or it's like pumping its wings, because it's letting me get pretty close to it. Welcome to the world, dude. Hello. You're really cool.